How to fix Walmart app not working. If your Walmart app is not working, then simply tap on your app icon and tap on app info session. Then scroll down and tap on storage, and here you'll find clear case and clear data. Tap on both of them, tap on clear data, tap on delete to confirm your decision. Then scroll back, then tap on force stop right over here and tap on OK. Now close all. Now what you're going to do is go to Play Store, go to the search bar and search for Walmart. Then tap on the Walmart app available. Then see if any update is available or not. If there is any update available, there will be an update icon instead of open, and make sure to tap on that, and that will update your app to the latest version, and then tap on open. And while opening the app, make sure that you have reliable internet connection. If your internet speed is not that good, you can always switch back to mobile data, or what you can do is simply refresh it by turning on airplane mode on. Now simply wait for 10 to 15 seconds. After that, turn it off and again switch back to Wi-Fi. In this way you can try using it. As in my region there is no official app of Walmart available, so I showed you using Walmart seller app, and you repeat the same step with your Walmart official app. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it useful, then consider liking, subscribing to the channel and comment down below.